presents underneath the Christmas tree. Sorry, Mum?
Yeah.
Oh, that you could ever know. It's my wish come true. All I want for Christmas.
You okay? Just shout if you need me.
You got a headache, Phil? Is you.